There are two different ways to share documents within Google Drive so that anyone can access them. If you click up here on the Share button, you'll notice that at the moment the document is private. That means that only those people that are listed can access it. In this case, it's just me. I'm going to change that and I'm going to make it public on the web. What this means is that anyone with the internet can find it and access it, including if you Google search. So if you Google search for task lists, eventually you'll get this actual document on Google. I can also change the access level, so I can change whether people can just view it or edit it. So Can View is really good if you're asking students just to view information or work or a worksheet without adding any extra information in. If you're going to make something public on the web, you can set it to Can Edit. For example, if you were looking for a giant collaboration program with lots of different people from around the world trying to collaborate on that document. So you see this quite often in the teaching community when you see lists of Twitter codes or hashtags where people can add that information, and that's open to anyone to add. So those are your two options for public on the web. You can also have this, anyone with the link can access, which is a much safer way to do it if you're just looking to control access via whoever has the link can access it. So what that means is that it will be public on the web, so anyone that has the link will be able to view it, but it's not searchable through Google. The chances of coming across this link up the top here by accident are pretty slim. So it's a fairly secure but not guaranteed way of sharing your document. What it means is that you can put that link then onto your learning management system like Echo or PM Online, and that means that students can click on that to access. So this is what I use for my needs to know list, because I've got 60 kids in the class and I don't particularly want to write in each one of their emails. I also then can control the access of who can edit, comment or view. So that's the two main options for making something public. Because we're also in the Catholic Education Office, we have two other options here. We've got the Catholic Education Office Diocese of Parramatta. So basically this is same as public on the web, however only people in the CEO can access it. So people in the CEO that are logged in with their CEO accounts can search for the information and can find it. And people with Catholic Education Office with the link. So basically this means if you're part of the CEO, you still need the link to be able to access it. So we've got those four options here. In this case, I'm going to pick anyone with the link can view, just because it's a little bit easier, and I'm going to hit save, and that's it. Done.